The focal organism of this module is the bumblebee. Here the bee is seen in the lower left-hand corner, but the camera will readjust to move the bee in the center of the screen. The bee is moving its forelegs over its head and across its antennas in a forward and backward motion. The reason for this behavior is fur maintenance. Bees are made of fur, which is also grown on forelegs and antennas. It is essentially cleaning itself or grooming itself. This is caused by the environment and the bee's naturally genetic control mechanism. In Stavely et al.'s analysis, environment played a huge role in the decline of honeybees' behavior. Here, cleaning behavior is caused by the collection of nectar. There are many species related to the bumblebee. This video captures the behavior of a hornet, a closely related ancestor of the bumblebee. Here, the same behavior exhibited in the previous clip is seen occurring in the hornet. This trait evolved in multiple species across the world and must have occurred through one common ancestor. It is suggested that this behavior is a shared derived trait from Schwartz et al., which can again be seen in sub-Saharan African bees. However, cleaning oneself is a common behavior in most organisms and is an evolutionary benefit if a majority of organisms are doing it. The bee is collecting nectar from the flower, moving in a clockwise direction. It digs its head into the center of the flower. Bees are pollinators. This enables them to pass pollen from flower to flower without being consciously aware of their actions while collecting nectar. In this video, we can see the bee collecting nectar with high antennal and foreleg movement. Nectar and pollen build on the forelegs and the antennas of the bee. Cleaning benefits fitness because it allows for continuous flight and consistent food acquisition. If cleaning were unavailable, buildup would increase weight and direct access to nectar. According to Sharon Levy, the necessity for bee survival is the ability to collect nectar, which without cleaning nectar acquisition would not occur properly. Here again you can see the actions of the bee collecting nectar. The development of grooming is maintained from the primary stages of life. It is developed instinctively. Majority of organisms naturally groom themselves to rid themselves of residue or to determine if what they are collecting is toxic. It is suggested by Fernandez et al. That ants exhibit this grooming behavior. They do so to determine garden substrate on their forelegs, but it was never a learned behavior. It appeared as though the ants performed it innately, which can also be applied to bees.